The Drop Alt only has a few default lighting settings with not very many options to choose from and doesn't have a software to control the keyboard. However, it does have a way to customize the lighting and control the keyboard, but it is a little confusing. So in this video I will show you the easiest way to customize the Drop Alt as well as some other drop keyboards. So this will work for most drop keyboards including the drop control, so it doesn't just have to be for the Drop Alt. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Drop Configurator website, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. So once you get to the website, it will look like this. Then you're just going to want to scroll down to the instructions it has here. It says, how do I configure my keyboard? So it does say that you need a second keyboard, but you can just use the on-screen keyboard that comes with Windows. I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. So the first thing you're going to have to do, I know it's step 3, but you're going to want to download MD Loader. So just click on that. And then if you have Windows, you click on this one. If you have Linux, you click on that. And then it will download it. You just want to choose where you're saving that to. I would recommend creating a folder to save everything into, including the lighting and all that. So just create a folder. I named mine Drop Alt. Right here. I have mine named Drop Alt, and I just have all the lighting in here as well as the MD loader. And then you're gonna want to download this applet flash too. When you're in here too, you also have to download this applet flash thing and also save that to the same file as your MD loader, the same folder. So make sure you put it in the same folder as that. And then you just click save. Okay, so then once you have that MD loader installed, you can click on this link here. It'll bring you to this Configurator website. And this is where you pick which keyboard you have. I'm using the Drop Alt, so I'll click on that. And then this is where you can, the first tab here is called Keymap, and this is where you can change what each key does. So if you want to change like the delete key, you can change it to anything you want. Like if you want the default to be F12, and that'll be on layer 0, but you can also just delete the layer, so it'll just be that. Or you could create another layer, and it will, and then once you use function, it will be using this instead. So I could do function, that's F12 instead, or something like that. And yeah, you have a lot of options to choose from. So I'm just gonna go on to the LEDs right now. So on the LEDs, you can pretty much only change it to single colors for my knowledge. I just keep mine as purple usually. To select all the keys, you just use shift and then double click. Then shift and double click. These ones down here are the lights around the keyboard. And these ones are the ones under the key, or under all the keys on the switches. And you can also just select one key at a time by shift and just one click at a time. If you want to do like a bunch of different colors, like if you want the WASD to be a certain color, you can do that. And then you click add a new color. Then you click on it again to edit it. You can make that like blue or something like that. But I usually just like shift double click and then do purple and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all you have to do, and then you can save it as copy if you want to come back to it, or compile and download, and then save that to the folder where you have the MD loader. So yeah, you want to name it to something that you can remember easily and isn't too long to type out, because if you had to type out all this every time you wanted to change it to it, it would suck. So like make it like custom or something, like just custom.bin. Make sure you have bin at the end. Then you click save, and then make sure that's in the folder that you saved it to. But I'm not going to do that. And then we're going to open CMD with Windows R, and then just type in CMD and it will open. Then here you want to type in CD, and then go to the folder that you have everything saved, and then just click on that and Control C to copy, then go back to the CMD, and then Control V to paste. That will change the directory to the folder that you have the lights and everything in. Then once you're here, you're gonna have to type this exact thing in: md loader _ windows.exe, and then hyphen first, and then hyphen download, and then you're gonna want to put in the name of your light thing that you saved, the configuration that you saved. So pink.bin and then - restart. Now this is where you're going to need the second keyboard, or you can just go search for on-screen keyboard. It's pretty easy. You only need this for the enter key. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need like a bobby pin or something like that in order to click the little restart thing on the bottom of your keyboard. It has a little hole. You're gonna have to click in that. So I'm just gonna go get that. I'll be back 1 second. So you're gonna want to click the thing with the bobby pin or just something that can reach that little button down there. Then once you click that, your keyboard is going to shut off, so you won't be able to use it. And then you're gonna want to click enter with the on-screen keyboard. Okay, once you click enter, it should bring this up here, and then your keyboard will restart, and it should be the color of what you chose. And yeah, that's all you have to do. I know it's a little confusing. I don't know why they didn't make a software that's a little bit more user-friendly and didn't require using the command center or anything like that, but they did do it this way. But yeah, so that's all I have to say today. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, make sure to message me on Twitter at JustinTechTV, or you can just comment in the comment section below and I should be able to get back to you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.